In this video, I will be going to create a chatbot using LangChain. So I will go to Visual Studio Code and I will be going to create a new file. I will call it as chatbot.py, and here you see I will be going to write the code. So initially I will do the same steps which I did earlier, like from LangChain underscore OpenAI. Just press tab to complete it. So IntelliSense is visible and you have to just press tab to complete it. Import chat OpenAI. So just I type chat ch. So chat OpenAI is visible. This is visible. This is called IntelliSense. So you just need to press tab to complete it. So you don't need to write the full code. Why I'm writing the code, why I'm not showing you the pre-written script, the reason is that when I will do it multiple times, it will stick to your mind. And another reason of writing the code line by line is you can understand each and every line of the code. So first you have to import this class chat OpenAI from the package. Then from .env package, you have to import load.env. Then you have to call this function to load the API key and create an object which is called LLM by calling the chat OpenAI class, and the model name this time I will be going to use is GPT-3.5-turbo. GPT 3.5 turbo is cheaper as compared to GPT 4.0, so I am using this, and this will also solve my purpose. Because it's a chatbot, I need to give the prompt to the user again and again. So I am using the while loop and I'm saying while true. So this loop will keep on continuing and I will be going to take one input. I am creating a variable called user input and I will be going to take the input from the user. So let's say this is human message, or the input I will be going to take, and that input will be stored into the user input variable. After this, if user input is exit, then what I will do, I will break the loop. So here I will just say break. Otherwise, I need to invoke the model. I will just say llm.invoke, and whatever the user input is there, that I have to pass, and that will be going to be the result returned by this LLM. After capturing the result, I will print the result, and I can also say initially that this is AI message, and I will be going to print the result dot contents. So that's it. This is a small chat model which I have created. So let me run this command. So here I'm getting the human message, and here I can type anything here and ask the question. For example, which city has more population? Is it Mumbai or Delhi? So this is the question which I have asked, and you see AI has returned me the message that Delhi has higher population than Mumbai. Delhi is second most populous city. So if suppose I ask who is number one? Who is number one? Now this time it will not understand my question. The reason is that it does not have my previous history. It is a fresh question now. Who is number one? Now ChatGPT doesn't understand what I am talking about. So if I say who is number one, so ChatGPT will give me some vague answer. It is impossible who is number one without more context. Okay, so because I didn't provide any context to it, so I have to again ask in a proper way, who is number one in population in India as far as cities are concerned. So now if I ask this question, So it is saying somehow Mumbai is more popular. I think it is wrong message. So if I say you are wrong, because it didn't have the previous context, it will give me something else. I apologize if please let me, how can I correct the mistake? So it doesn't know the previous context. Each and every statement is independent. So I just exit, and what I will do this time, I will be going to add the history also, so that it can keep the context of it. So what I will do, I will create one list which is called chat history list, and I will keep it blank. So this is a chat history list, and what I will do here, I will append this user input to this chat history, and here in the llm.invoke I will pass the whole chat history. Okay, not a single message. This time the full chat history I am passing, and I am appending this result also to the chat history. So I am again writing chat history dot append and the full result dot content, and at the end I am printing the full chat history. So I am saying print chat history. So I am printing the full list. Once I will get out of the loop, then I will be going to print the full history of it. So this time I will be going to have the previous context also. So I save this code and actually run it again. Human message. So which city is more populated, Delhi or Mumbai? So Delhi is more populated than Mumbai. Okay. So making it one of the most populous cities in India. So now I'm asking what is the position of each city in terms of population ranking. Now this time I didn't mention Delhi or Mumbai, and I straight asked the question the position of each city in terms of population ranking. So if I click here, so now it understood, okay, I am talking about Delhi and Mumbai. So it is saying that Delhi is second most populous city, and which is a after Mumbai, which is first most populous city, followed by other major city like Bangalore, Hyderabad and Kolkata. Although I am doubtful why it is giving me Mumbai, maybe in a small area more people are living, that is why it is giving this kind of answer. But anyways, it has understood the context that Delhi and Mumbai. I didn't mention in this question any city here, not Delhi, not Mumbai, but it understood because it has the full chat history. So if I exit now, I will show you the whole history. So you see the list is created here, and in the list you see first question was asked which is more populated, Delhi or Mumbai. So it has given me the answer. Then the second question I asked what is the position, so it has given me this answer. So because the history was maintained, so it has the previous context also what I am talking about. But this also has a problem. The problem is that if this chat list grows a lot, then LLM will get confused. It will not understand whether this is a reply by ChatGPT or is it a question which a human has asked. Although it's a small chat, so LLM can understand. But suppose the chat is very big, so LLM will get confused. Which is the human message? I can say which is a human message and which is the reply by GPT. So I need to label this. So in the next video, I will tell you how to label that. Okay, this is a human message. This is the message reply by the artificial intelligence. Then this is a human message, and then this is the reply by artificial intelligence. So this labeling I will also do in the next video.